So triple IT Roorkee, that was established in 1847, General 110. Talk about IIT Kharagpur, that was established in 1951, General 112 and 1. IIT Vilai, that was established in 2016. So General 106. So my friend, this is Amit. Here I am going to provide you all 23 IIT safe marks. Same information हिंदी में जानने के लिए मेरे हिंदी चैनल एडमिशन एकेडमी पे आप जा सकते हैं. As you all have got the provisional answer key regarding the JEE advanced examination, and soon you will get the result also. So based on your expected marks, what are the IIT you can expect, that is lower branch, anyhow you just want to get into any 23 IIT, just that is you just want the tag of IIT. So in that case, what are the marks requirement for male and female up to JOSA 6 round, but this year they are going to conduct only 5 rounds. So correct it, there will be only 5 round in JOSA counseling this year, as they have updated the information. So general, EWS, OBC, SC, ST, I will provide you male female both cutoffs. So please try to watch the video up to the last so that you will get the complete information. So triple IT Roorkee, that was established in 1847, General 110 and 100 mark, that is male and female. If you are getting these marks, you will get any, that is lower branch, that is anyhow you will get into this IIT, you will get the tag of IIT Roorkee. For OBC 195, EWS 196, SC 75, 66, ST 63 and 57. It is after slash, it is for female student. Hope you get my point. Now if you talk about IIT Guwahati, that was established in 1994. So here is the information, General 125, 112. And let me clear one thing, that is the lower branch will not provide you the information regarding which is best IIT, which is not better IIT, because in some of the college their number of branches very high, so 20-30 branch. So if there is those branches that are very less demandable, the cutoff will go up at very low marks, even if it is a better IIT also. For example, IIT Kharagpur, it is one of the best IIT, but the cutoff will go very low because the number of branches too much and some of the branches are less demandable. So if you want just the tag, then you can get at very less marks also. So hope you get my point. For Guwahati 125, 112 for male female, OBC 114, 108, EWS 112 and 106, SC 78 and 70, ST 66 and 60 marks is required. Now if you talk about IIT Kanpur, that was established in 1959, General 130, 115, OBC 115, 110, EWS 114, 109, and these are the marks based on the current year trend and based on this year of paper. I am providing you the information so that you can expect what are the options available for IIT. So hope you have checked for IIT Kanpur, ST 68, 63. Now to talk about IIT Kharagpur, it was established in 1951, General 112 and 100, OBC 196, EWS 99, 95, SC 60 and 54, ST 58 and 53 marks is required. Now if you talk about IIT Delhi, here is the information, General 135, 118, OBC 120, 113, EWS 118, 112, SC 78, 73, ST 70 and 64 marks is required for IIT Delhi. Any type of lowest possible branch, without this marks you can't enter into IIT Delhi. So hope you get my point. Now let's talk about IIT Bombay. General 140, 130 marks, OBC 102 and 115, EWS 123, 116, SC 18, 77, ST 75 and 70 marks is required for IIT Bombay. It was established in 1958. Now if you talk about IIT Madras, 1959 is the established year of this college, and General 125, 118 marks is required, OBC 118, 110, EWS 114 and 108, SC 75 and 70, ST 70 and 65 marks is required. So here is IIT Indore, that was established in 2009, General 124, 111 marks, that is male and female. For OBC 118 and 108 marks, EWS 117, 106 marks, and here I am whatever marks I am providing you, that is after considering the current year trend and based on the last 5-6 years of cutoff, as I am guiding the student from last 5-6 years. So if you want, you can register with my guidance as well. Sideways you can check the detail. In the next section you will be able to check the detail of my guidance. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything, that is JOSA, CSAB, JAG Delhi, JAG Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, VITSAT, COMEDK, EEEE or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling, as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sideways you can check the detail as well, and once you register you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background. So there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So on the screen you can check the detail in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending your details. If you get the detail, so once you register, you can get the guidance of JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, both ASCO, that is through JOSA counseling you will get the seat, and CSAB counseling also I will cover, MSTT, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, UPTU, and all private counseling as well, that is BITSAT, Manipal, COMEDK, VIT, AEEE, SRM, everything. So whenever you want, you can contact me. So SC 68 64, ST 66 62 marks is required for IIT Indore. Now if you talk about for IIT Jodhpur, that was established in 2008. General 114 102, OBC 108 98, EWS 107 97, SC 66 61, ST 63 and 58 marks is required. Now if you talk about for IIT Patna, General 118 110, OBC 111 100 and EWS 109 98, SC 69 65, ST 60 and 55 marks is required for IIT Patna lower branch. And now if you talk about IIT Hyderabad, General 124 113, OBC 114 107, EWS 113 105, SC 72 66, ST 65 60. You may think that why the top college, that is top 7 IIT, I am getting at low marks, because top 7 IIT have lots of branches that are very less demandable, like material science, mining engineering, those branches and dual degree courses. But in this average IIT or lower IIT have very less number of branches. So in that case, lower means mechanical civil, in top case lower means mining or material science engineering. So this is the difference, that's why you are getting the top also at low marks. That doesn't mean you are going to get the same branch. So hope you get my point. SC 72 66, ST 65 60 marks is required. For Gandhinagar, that was established in 2008, and Hyderabad was also established in 2008. So it is the information for Gandhinagar. General 118 110, OBC 112 106, EWS 110 104, SC 68 63, ST 64 58. Now if you talk about for IIT Ropar, it was also established in 2008. General 190 109 marks, and OBC 109 and 102 marks is required. For EWS 108 and 101 marks is required. For SC 71, ST 62, it is for male. After select you can check for female student as well. Now if you talk about for IIT Bhubaneswar, again it was established in 2008. General 112, OBC 103, EWS 100, SC 59, ST 56. After select you can check for female as well. Now if you talk about for IIT Varanasi, there is the information: General 194, OBC 98 92, EWS 96 92, SC 55 50, ST 53 and 49. So IIT Vilai, that was established in 2016. So General 116 and 112 mark, that is male and female. OBC 110 and 108, and EWS 112 109, SC 71 and 66, ST 68 and 63. So these are the marks that I have prepared and I am providing to you based on the current year trend, based on the current year difficulty of the examination, and also after analyzing the cutoff of last 6-7 years, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. So here is the complete information regarding the IIT SAFE score. For IIT Jammu, that was also established in 2016. General 113 106, that is male female. After slash, the data is for female student. For EWS 102 98 and OBC 107 100, SC 72 68, ST 55 and 50 marks is required. Now if you talk about for IIT Dharwad, 2016 is the establishment year. General 118 108 marks, OBC 112 105 marks, EWS 110 and 100 marks, SC 67 60 marks, ST 64 and 56 marks. So let me inform you one of the important thing regarding the IIT cutoff. As you will go for the newer IIT, that is newer means lower IIT, older means the better IIT. Top 7 IIT is the oldest IIT of India. So that's why I am providing you the information, that is in newer IIT the branch number is less. So here if you are getting lower branch means mechanical civil. But if you go for older IIT, top IIT college, the lower branch means dual degree courses or material science engineering, mining engineering, this type of branch that is too much less demandable. That's why you are getting at low marks also in top IIT. It doesn't mean that you are getting the top IIT at low marks because something other reason is there. The reason is lower branch. But in lower IIT, lower branch means chemical civil. Below that there is no branches available. That's why you are getting similar type of marks. Many of you will think that how same marks is applicable for top IIT and lower IIT, and that's why I explain the question. Now if you talk about the IIT Tirupati, that was established in 2015, General 115, 109, OBC 105 and 102, EWS 104 and 101, SC 69, 65, ST 59, 53 marks is required. So here I would like to inform you about my complete counseling guidance of BULSA counseling, CSFB counseling, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, private college counseling as well. It is BITSET, Manipal, BIT, Comet K, AEEE, KSET. All the counseling I will guide you until your admission is done, so that you will get the best college by the end of this academic year, because all counseling you need to try and at last you will join any one college. So all the counseling I will do, choice filling, decision making personally, one-to-one guidance it is. So if you want, you can contact me. There is a nominal charge and all the contact information is available in the description box. Also you can contact through website and app also, that is the link is available in the description. This video, that is IIT Palakkad. Here is the information. It was established in 2015, General 109, 104 marks, OBC 104, 100 marks, EWS 105, 101 marks, SC 67 and 61 marks, ST 63 and 59 marks. Now if we talk about for ISM Dhanbad, it is, you can say it is older IIT, but earlier it was ISM, now it is considered as a IIT also. So the General 112, 107, OBC 108, 103, EWS 106, 100, SC 72, 67, ST 70 and 60. Now if you talk about IIT Mandi, so here is the information. General 109, 103, OBC 105, EWS 104, SC 68, ST 58, that is for male aspirant. After slash you can check for female. Now if you talk about for IIT Goa, that was established in 2016 and IIT Mandi was established in 2009. So General 111, 96, OBC 103, 91, EWS 106, 93, SC 17, 65, ST 60 and 56 marks is required. So this was the complete information regarding the IIT information, that is say first course. Soon I will try to provide you the average 8 IIT. Already I have provided for top 7 IIT, that is for lower branch, minimum how much marks you need to have to just enter into that IIT college. So soon I will try to provide you for the CSE branch as well and electronics branch, mechanical branch. Like this video you will get on the same channel, so kindly subscribe the channel. And if you want the guidance regarding admission process to get into best college, best branch, I will discuss about the branch scope also, what you should consider so that your future will be better. Everything I will discuss. So if you want, you can contact me. The information is available in the description box. Thank you.